Alright, last one we got here, ticker symbol CEI. It's July 9th. CEI just did a recent 1 for 25 reverse split yesterday, right here. And you could see yesterday this thing was just a total turd, going all the way down below $2, probably diluting the stock. And then today they put news out. Gaps up pre-market to 285, just below $3. Market opens, this stock surges up over $3 and tops out here at $3.50. And real quick, CEI's float is 12.5 million and its average true range is 0.49 cents. With that being said, I don't know if that's an effect with the new reverse split that just happened, but I did the math. If it wasn't to be with the reverse split, the new float would be 500,000. I don't know if that's true though. CEI really set up nicely. And the way I like the way this set up, right at this 350 area, it found resistance. And when it came back down, it was really liking to bounce off this $3 mental level. And from this $3 mental level, it just got tighter and tighter, making an ascending wedge. Then breaking out of the ascending wedge, running all the way up to this $4 mental level. $4 mental level right there. It found resistance right there. And then when it finally broke above that $4, it found support right there. A little hint like that is showing me that this $4 has interest. And from that $4, this ran all the way up to $5. And then this thing slowly trended down, making lower highs and lower lows, all the way back down to that $4 level. From $4, pops up to this 440s level, almost its average true range, but it also found resistance right there, right there. So that's going to find resistance. Then it comes back down. Look at right where it bounces, right at that $4 level, runs all the way up, breaks over that 440 resistance, tops out here at 460. Then now you see right here that 440 is holding as support. But we all know that's chasing above at this level. It cracks below it right there. That 440's level is holding all as resistance, all right here. Just like that. And then it flushes all the way back to 4, falls below 4, and now look what's holding as resistance, that $4 level. Breaking down a chart like that. Doing this every single day, you will get better and better and better and better as time goes on. CEI had great opportunities on it, and it really goes to show you that patience pays in the stock market. When you go off and look at the daily chart on CEI, this stock is just horrible looking. Horrible. And I remember CEI back when this stock was around 20 cents. This stock has done so many reverse splits. They recently did one right here. They did a reverse split right here. Every time this stock pops up, they just dilute it, pops up, dilute it, dilute it, dilute it, dilute it, pops up, dilutes it, pops up, dilutes it down even more, pops up, dilutes it down, dilutes it down, dilutes it down, dilutes it down. Nothing about this chart here is tempting at all. All you just see is it just slowly just decaying and decaying and decaying as time goes on.